could not be done. Whatever I am giving to South Goa, Navodaya and Ancon, one after another, Mr. Kannan, the principal there, he comes regularly, and I think maximum projects I given to Ancon, Navodaya. At least 3 projects have been given, and another 3-4 are pending, and which will also I will give you. You can imagine the type of projects I am giving to one institution. That is because we have special affinity to STEAM. Friends, knowledge is a type of wealth which nobody can take us from us. Other types of wealth are subject to various criminal actions, but knowledge, once derived, remains with you, and that is the importance of knowledge. It is mentioned in the education policy, scientific temper. We have to maintain scientific temper. We should be away from superstitious belief. If superstitious belief were not there in the country, we would have progressed very fast. You can't advise people to do away superstitious belief overnight because they are there for generation together. But that is one thing which I insist all the time. Even when I speak to Parliament, public spaces, I stress that superstitious belief should be done away with. And then the Maharashtra government has enacted a legislation to it. Central government has to enact